Hey guys, it's Matt here. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a thumbnail for your videos. And what's called this? I try to find this app right here, PS Touch, on the Google Play, but I can't find it. But if I find it, then I'm gonna put it in the video to see where it is. Okay? Hey guys, so I couldn't find it anywhere in the Play Store, so I'm guessing that they took it out, and you're gonna have to download it from the internet. So I'm gonna do a video later on that. Okay. This was also recommended by my friend called TQA Vlogs. Yeah, go subscribe to him and PewDiePie and me. But let's see. I'm trying to find a I'm trying to find a place where I can, let's see. I was using these types of, I was using these types of images in my last green screen video. The green screen's all the way over there, as you can see. But let's see. First what I like to do sometimes is go to Scribble selection tool. So to keep, you want to just, the green is to keep and the red is to remove. So I'm like, I want to keep all this, okay? I want to keep him holding the money. I want to keep everything like that. So right now, I think I just screwed up. So right now, I want to keep him just holding the beer or wine, I don't know, champagne, and him keeping the money. So that's right there. And I get the remove button. I'm sorry if my thing looks weird, like it looks a little bit stretched out. Yeah, it is stretched out. But anyways, what's it called? I have the remove, and it kind of like autos, it auto, I don't know what's called. It just auto selects for you. So right now it's auto selecting, Hold up, I'm going to, yeah, there it goes. Okay, I'm going to just, and yeah, I think that's good. That's good. Okay, so now whenever you have like your whole thing like, together, you want to press extract. Like go to over here, as you can see, and press extract. After that, you want to get rid of the parts that you don't want now, because you don't want to ruin your, masterpiece or something like that. Hold up. So let's go to the eraser. I like to put it around this size right here, 21, because it's a mean number or something like that. I need to, but first I do this. I go to that. Dang it, hold up. Now I wanna just erase it down, and I'm going to unpause it whenever I'm done. Guys, some technical difficulties are happening, so yeah, I'm sorry if my voice is pretty raspy. Kind of like JoJo Seawall. Hey, musically TikTok, what's going on? Just something like that, I'm still trying to erase, but don't do what I just did, because look, I accidentally messed up, and then now I cannot. I saved this, so that sucks. But right now, I'm almost done. Eh. Alright. I'm going to skip to the end. Okay, now that you're finished, you will have this right here. But don't mind the erase marks, Whoops. Yeah, don't mind it, and don't mind that right there. But yeah, whenever you're done, like erasing the edges that look weird, what I like to do is, okay, look, right here. I'm going to this or whatever the heck, like the thing next to my box right there, and then you want to go to fill. You want to go to fill and stroke right there, and it might look like that, okay, but don't worry. Go to type, press stroke. Whoops, no, that's noise. Stroke. And look, you will have the, what's it called? You will have the, dang, I forgot what it's called. You will have the, you know, the outline of the person. So I'm gonna do a black so you can see it. Look, there it is. Yeah. And hold up, I'm gonna erase this right here. That's good. That's good, okay. Okay, don't mind anything else, just mind this guy except for his erased nose. Hold up. Okay, there he goes. Now, but if you want to add like that little godly effect, you know what I'm trying to say? Is go to effects. Effects is the good, and go to glow. Oh, also, if you're having trouble to find it, and man, get out of here. Okay, go to effects, go to basic, go to glow. I don't know what just happened. Oh, half of my screen. I don't know. There's technical difficulties happening right now. Let's just leave it right there, you know? Because I don't know what's happening at all. Yeah, it's loading right now. I'll see you in a bit. Having technical difficulties, so yeah, just press check on that thing, you know, like check. I cannot point it towards it, but just press check, and if you want to give it a much brighter, you know, like much brighter, like, you know, much brighter edge, then go to blur and put it to the, if you want it like really bright, then just put it to the max. Like for example, if I put it to 0, it's not gonna show the brightness, you know. If I put it to 1, it's gonna show a little. It's gonna show like a, you know, stroke effect. But if you put it to like 20, it's gonna show like a shine, you know. So yeah, I'm going to take out that because that thing's not working. Yeah, that thing's not working. And that's, yeah. Good news, guys, it was saved. Yeah, well, not really saved, but you know. So let me do that again. Let me just fill in the stroke, you know. Black, because you can't see anything else, because, you know, my thing is lagging. Dang it, my thing is lagging, sorry. Let's see, yeah, effects, go to glow. As you can see, what I like to do is use the really light blue, so it looks like a freaking god, you know. Look, you see? But right now you can't see it, so let's do, how about lime green? Yeah, that's good. Now that's the tutorial, and I hope you liked it, and please subscribe to PewDiePie and me and TQA Vlogs, and let's go to the next video. Peace. I am so stupid. I accidentally just deleted the tutorial, which means like I deleted not the whole video, but I deleted this part that I'm doing right now whenever I'm, you know. But let's see. Let's just go to Chrome, you know. You want to type in the search bar aptoide.com, so let me do that. Aptoide. Whoops. Aptoide.com. So there it is. I know whenever I came into Chrome, you probably are saying that you already on Aptoide or whatever the frick. But yeah, that's how you spell it. Aptoide. And then you're gonna have to install Aptoide. If this only works on Android, so if you're on Android, go to your settings real quick. If you can't download it, go to your settings, go on to lock screen and security. Then go on unknown sources and and then press on. After that, you're gonna have to install Aptoide. And if you're on a if you're on a iPhone, then go to some other video and try to find, try to find a way to download free apps, So because this is probably one of the ways, or just find out how to do PS Touch, I'll probably do a video like that soon. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to just choose your character. You guys did.